22 kids with 23 baby mother. No, I lies. 23 kids, 22 baby mother. Where me get my mods from? Obviously not Ninja Man. But this is a Ninja Man video. Now, all fun and joke aside, Ninja Man is Mr. Bold and the Beautiful. And we're gonna watch a video where Ninja Man is being interviewed by some beautiful Jamaican women, and look how the boss, charismatic. Hey, you know what?
Now we're here with the original, the gang, the real Dan Dogon, Ninja Man. Hi Ninja Wagwan.
Correct that.
What me fi say then?
The original front teeth, gold teeth, take off down half a teeth, brush teeth, toothpaste, and now spit no more shot in the nigga face. Early Sunday morning, Dan Gorgon talk. Remember, Dan Gorgon.
Dan Gorgon.
Get it right.
I stand corrected.
She better get it right. Yes, I talk about Dan Dogon. Who is that? You can't mix up a Dan Gorgon name with dog. You think a Rex video this? This is the Dan Gorgon video. Anyways, let's jump in the most famous dancehall, or the most popular dancehall interview of all time. The most viewed, the most watched, the most entertaining. Do I need to say anything else? It's Ninja Man versus Emily. Emily.
When I'm a bad man, you know, girlfriend.
Emily. Crooks.
Emily Crooks. Emily whatsoever. Anywhere. When me I say Emily.
Are you clean?
Yeah?
Never smoke anything before you came this morning?
Me smoke weed. You have a problem with that?
You smoke weed?
Yeah.
How you get it? Plant it?
A girl, you are a real informer, you know, man.
Emily. I have to keep correcting you. Where
You know, so
you
you
plant
give
it?
me like a you named Keisha.
Eh? Your wife give you problems?
Anyway, when me I say.
Huh?
Emily.
Your wife give you problems?
You're too fast, Emily, man. I know that will come here to deal with.
That's why I'm a journalist. I ask the question. That's what I do. Don't you know? Sure you expected this before you came here.
You know, say
I
a
could
man
probe
supposed
the
to not
issues.
like you.
Yeah? That's very, very personal. We want to get back to the nitty-gritty.
So we want to get back going in me and Keisha life. You never know if me and Keisha life personal, but you want to dig down in my one.
Emily set up a trap and get catching a fear own trap. No, that's too personal. Let's get back to the matter. After you're done, I try jumping on the man's personal life with him and Keisha. What about your personal life? Eh? You think Ninja Gorgon easy? Me mix the boss name than two, Ninja Gorgon. A bad name that still no. Ninja Gorgon. Yeah man, Emily want get in a Gorgon business man, and when the Gorgon decides to yo me a jump in a yours, Emily no want that. But you can tell say there was some form of chemistry in the atmosphere. And we're gonna see more of it right now.
How many children do you have?
23, 22 baby mother. I was batting careful, I'm a good cricketer.
If you're batting careful, how did you manage to have 23 children? with
Because I
22
lick
babies?
all of the runs, them I never out for ducks.
Yeah?
I never out for ducks.
You think you're a role model for the young guys of Jamaica?
Yeah, I'm a road model for the young guys of Jamaica, because remember my first song said, I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them see the way. Show them all the beauty we possess inside. And my part come in and say, send for your protection if you're not ready for baby. I never get nobody pregnant till when me name Dan Gorgon.
At what age was that? What age were you the Dan Gorgon?
From me at 15.
You started at 15 and you believe as a role model having 23 children with 22 women.
When you can't mind them.
Yes? And even when you can, that is a good way for a role model to behave?
Yeah.
Me dey search for condom, I can't find none. Send for your protection. Hold on, I think we have one here. Me find barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. You know there had to be one. At least one. Always have a condom. You see, because me can't afford pitney right now. When Ninja Man say, send for your protection if you can't afford pitney. So me make sure so me have like a gun, me have one night chamber at all times. Anyways, Emily, you can't draw the Gorgon, never. The Gorgon have an answer for every question you have. Now, see, gang of three line up against the Gorgon. Three beautiful women, pretty women. Charlie's Angel or Jamaican Angels. We didn't have lineup for Ninja now. Let's watch and see.
Skills to the test. Here's how it works. Each host has a secret item in their bag. When this item is revealed, you will have to come up with a verse which includes the mystery item. We'll start with Danique. You ready? All right, Danique, what's in your bag?
Hi, Ninja.
Mm-hmm. How are that?
It's a teddy bear.
Call me darling, gave her one teddy bear. Then me go out and drink a red stripe beer. And if you disrespect, I said, get out of here.
Wicked. All right, Gianna, the next item, please.
I have a razor.
Okay. Sharp like a knife, baby figure cut. Take me razor and bust out your head cup.
Oh,
so
Jesus.
then get me know so that me well serious. If you is a barber, don't ease it up. Rub it here from me face, me have to shave it up. Get me razor and then me just clean that up smooth like a baby bottom. So then say be squeeze up.
Mad.
Very good.
Ready for my Ninja?
Listen to me. Man a no robber, man a no thief. Move piano now with your tin a bully beef.
Hey.
Them they sing thing bad man nah heat. Man a no robber, man a no thief. Me a no Indian, me a no chief. Give me oxtail, don't give me bully beef.
Sorry.
Give the gag and oxtail, don't give no bully beef. We are move with that. If you always in my comment section, you will see when me do a Ninja Man video and me and the people them down there comment, I always say Ninja Man I king of clash, king of sting, and him below over there, and the king of lyrics man spot. And Mr. Potter always say Ninja Man I king of theme dancehall. You see me I say? How many artists can do? Them are young artists that can do this. Build lyrics pan spot. You want to drop down? You want to faint pan spot? Nervousness would kill them, anxiety. But Ninja best at what he does, man. Free Ninja that way I say. Anyways, me hope you like the video. If you don't like it, just give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and neighbors, and even your Dirty Foot ex. You see me I say? Yeah man, spread the laughter, spread the words. Top Shotter is back. Stay safe. God bless. Why me do the gag and dirty? Look on the photo that I freeze from the video. My gosh. Hold them Gargan. Ninja Man versus 5, dead or alive.